Hello viewers, today we are going to learn run commands. These commands are very important and save you a lot of time, and it also save you from manual search. You can check each and every software hardware status of your computer instantly. So save your time and let's watch it on the screen. The first one, so now Windows key plus R key from your keyboard and CHANGEPK, change PK and click OK. This type wizard appear, click yes, and from here you can see the activation of your window, upgradation your Windows, change the product key, and you can also upgrade Microsoft app. So let's open Microsoft app. Now internet is not available, so you can upgrade anything about it. Now let's go change the product key. You can change the product key from here. Now once again Windows key plus R key and write CHARMAP, and with this you can see a lot of symbols. You can copy it and you need not to run after these on internet. You just saw that I copy the @ sign and paste it. Now window key plus R CHOICE, choice. Click OK and you can reply answer question through yes or no. Once again window key plus R key, clean MGR, and with this you can clean C drive, D drive, or anything you can add like recycle bin, etc. Click OK and delete temporary file. Your window will be clear and will function smoothly. Once again window key plus R key and control user password 2. Control and user password have space, there is no other space. Click on OK and you can see user accounts. You can add user, you can also check the properties. Like this you can add any XYZ or you can rename it standard user or whatever. In advance manage password and some other credential like these tools appear. Now let's go for advanced, and these options are also available. Click add, so you can add another user to your computer. You can also assign privileges. It's up to you. Windows key plus R key, computer defaults without any space. Click on it. And now you do have all the app in front of you which is inside your computer. You can do changes to this, like you can make something to default. Control key plus R, CTTUNE. Click OK. And with this window appear, you can choose any font that suits you or you can read it. So click next, next, next and choose the best one. At the end finish appear. Now number 8, DXDIAG, run, type it in run command and click on OK. Click yes, and after this you will get know all the information of your computer, systems, display, sound 1, sound 2 and input. Through this you can get know each and everything of your computer, either that is software or hardware. Now Windows key plus R key and diskmgmt.msc without any space. Click on OK. Now you are watching disk management. You can see the property of your C drive, D drive or whatever. You can also create partition or run tools like scan disk, etc. You can also see the information regarding your hardware. Now Windows key plus R key and msconfig, msconfig, system configuration appear. From here you can make changes to normal startup, diagnose startup and selection startup, general, boot and services. Now boot in front of you, services are running, you can also see the details, and startup tools are also available. In startup, if you would like to have some changes to fast your computer, so I do have another video, you can also watch that. Now Windows key plus R key and type MSINFO32. Now you are watching that your computer hardware and software, Windows version, each and everything is available. Windows key plus R key POWERCFG.CPL without any space. You can create a power plan or choosing brightness or battery life extension. You can also change when the computer sleep time. It would be better that you create or adjust your computer in accordance to your needs. Windows key plus R key and type PSR. With PSR, this appear, you can record your screen. Settings is also in front of you. Now number 14, Windows key plus R key and WINVER, WinVer, and you will know about the version of your window. In case if you click this line, you can also see the license issued to your PC. Windows key plus R key ncpa.cpl, and you will reach to Wi-Fi property. You can see status, property, rename or create shortcut or disable. You can also check the configuration, and you can also enhance the speed of your Wi-Fi. Like now, check this and select the last one, so your Wi-Fi would go faster. You can also connect it to, you can see the connection, diagnostic and renaming of your Wi-Fi. You can also diagnose or much more. Now Windows key plus R key time date .cpl without any space, and you will reach date and time. You can change the time zone. You can also select your country or internet time. You can change the settings easily. And now the last one, Windows key plus R key appwiz.cpl. No space required. Click on OK and control panel appear. From here you can turn window feature on or off. You can also uninstall the app you desire, or you can make changes to this. You can also organize it. You can view installation updates now in front of you. It's very important updates or information you are watching. Also you can see the services of Windows. You can on or off all these. It can save you a lot of time. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.